So if there is another legislation frame that is more competitive than Ukrainian, then what do? They will do it somewhere else. And I'm really interested into the position for the Ministry of the Economical Development, and whether you understand it, whether you acknowledge this, and what you would like to do with that. Good day to colleagues. I'm an adept of these technologies. I believe that Ukraine has to build up the real economics with a minimal invasion from the Ukrainian state into economical development. So we should not just close up, and we shouldn't be doing something as just let us see how it will work in Europe and then we'll do it. I do believe that currently it is a possibility for Ukraine to introduce innovations as a pilot, as a pioneer. First of all, what I do believe has to be done is to design the clearly identified sets of rules and to follow how are going to be implemented. The worst situation in regulating any market is when the rules are unclear, the rules are not defined, they haven't been explained, the state doesn't give you an understanding, where should you move, like what should you do? And this is the way the crypto market in Ukraine is now developed. In reality, this market is not developed, it doesn't exist, but they've showed you what the market is in figures. That means that the easiest way to regulate this question, the question of the cryptocurrencies in Ukraine, is to define the status of it. And that is why the Ministry of Finance, they have to turn public and they have to explain what is the main status of the cryptocurrency in Ukraine currently. Maxim, do you have an argument against it? No, I just don't believe that the Ministry of Finance has to do it, but I do agree that we have to get a clear definition of what crypto assets are.